If your Google Drive is feeling a little messy after uploading files, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize Google Drive step by step, so everything is easy to find, easy to manage, and much more professional. This is perfect for anyone who uploads a lot of documents, photos, videos, or school files and wants a cleaner system without wasting time searching through a cluttered drive. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser or app and take a quick look at everything you've already uploaded. The first goal is to create a simple folder structure so your files have a clear place to live. To do that, click the plus new button, then choose folder. Give your folder a name that makes sense for the type of files you're storing. For example, you could make folders like work, personal, school, clients, projects, or finance. The key is to keep your name simple and specific because that makes your drive much easier to manage later. Once your main folders are created, you can start moving files into the right place. One easy way to do this is by dragging and dropping files directly into the folder you want. If you have a lot of files, this is often the fastest method. Just click and hold the file, drag it over the folder, and release it. Google Drive will automatically move it there for you. If dragging feels difficult, you can also right-click a file, choose Move To, and then select the correct folder from the list. This is a great alternative if you want to be very precise with where each file goes. Now that your files are in folders, it's a good idea to rename anything that looks unclear. A file named something random like img_2048 or document final can become confusing fast. To fix that, right-click the file and choose Rename. Then type a cleaner and more descriptive name. For example, instead of keeping a generic file name, rename it based on the project, date, or purpose. A clear naming system saves a lot of time later when you need to search for something quickly. Another helpful way to organize your Google Drive is by using folder colors. This is great when you want certain categories to stand out visually. Right-click the folder, look for the Organize option, and choose a color that fits. For example, you might use blue for work, green for personal, or yellow for important projects. Color coding adds a visual layer to your organization system, and it makes browsing your drive much easier at a glance. Next, you can sort your files so the newest or most important items appear first. In the top right area, click the sort icon and choose how you want to organize the view. You can sort by name, last modified, or size. Sorting by name is useful when you want everything in alphabetical order. Sorting by last modified helps you find your most recently edited files. Sorting by size can be helpful if you're looking for large files that take up a lot of space. This is especially useful after uploading a big batch of content. If you ever lose track of a file, the search bar is your best friend. Just type in the file name, part of the file name, or even a keyword related to the document, and Google Drive will help you find it quickly. This is one of the fastest ways to navigate a growing drive, especially when you have dozens or even hundreds of files stored inside it. Search is especially powerful once your folders and file names are set up properly because it becomes much easier to get exactly what you need. For files you use often, you can also add them to starred. To do this, right-click the file and choose Add to Starred. Starred files are helpful when you want to keep important documents easy to access without having to dig through folders every time. You can use this for active projects, essential reference files, or anything you need to revisit regularly. A good workflow is to combine all of these methods together. Start with folders, then move your files into the correct categories, rename anything confusing, color code key folders, sort the view when needed, and use search and starred items to stay organized long term. The more consistent you are, the easier Google Drive becomes to use every single day. And that's how to organize Google Drive after uploading files in a simple, practical way. If this video helped you clean up your drive, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software or app you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.